Hi guys, happy new year, happy 2025. I'm so excited guys. I have not neglected you. I've been getting a few like DMs. Have you quit YouTube? No guys, I have not quit YouTube. I was just taking a breather, a long one. That was very unexpected, but honestly I was not in the right headspace to vlog. One thing about YouTube, it needs a lot of vulnerability. Like, you need to come as you are, and honestly, if I'm being honest, I was not willing to go that route in that moment. But as you can see, I'm doing a lot better. I'm okay, actually I'm fine, but we're gonna unpack everything later on in the vlog. I'm starting a new vlog. If you're new, hi my darling. If you're returning, thank you so much for being so patient with me and coming back to support the girl. Actually with studio, so today is a Tuesday. We are by the Fields Mall. We need to get some stuff from Pep Home, and then we need to get by Discam. I don't know if I'm gonna get a milkshake or something to drink. Studios is not gonna have anything. Are you?
No.
Because she's having kombucha. I actually tasted kombucha. I tasted kombucha for the first time.
Terrible.
Guys, it tastes so terrible. I won't lie. But she says it works for her. You don't have any cravings. It has reduced like cravings, and
Sugary
she's
cravings.
actually losing weight, and she's not working out currently. So if you want to go that route, baby girl, I think you need to just stomach it. Like, you don't have a choice. If it's working for her, I'm assuming it's gonna work for you. I will try it because I actually want to lose weight this year. Oops, I almost flashed you guys. I actually want to lose weight this year. I'm turning 30 and I have this big trip that we're going on, so I want to look snatched. So if you see me drinking kombucha, don't say I said it's not nice. I said we need to stomach it. It's not nice, yes, but we need to make it work. Anyways guys, we're burning up. It's so hot in this car. Are you done?
Am I done?
Yeah.
No, not done yet.
Which doesn't.
My phone.
One thing about being a content creator with the phone. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Oh yeah, go.
I need to switch it off. My memory is just refusing, but I need to vlog.
My friend, you're gonna get a camera.
I need to get a camera, guys.
Please.
Please. And leave my phone out of it.
Honestly. Sorry.
I want to encourage all young girls to wait before they have kids.
Yeah.
Because once you have a kid, your life changes forever.
It's never going back.
We have 10-year-olds. We had kids at the same time.
Yeah.
She had a baby in September.
October.
October. And then I had
In June.
in June.
Yeah.
Girl.
Life has never been the same.
We're only 30.
We're laughing about it now, but
We're
it's not
only
funny.
30. We have 10-year-olds.
Yeah.
So you can imagine for the past 10 years when everybody was living their best life, we've been mothers for the past 10 years.
too.
Listen, we're not hating on the kids, no. But
No,
we're
we're
just
not.
saying that every move you make, who you date from then, are you gonna get married to the father of the child, taking care of the kid. Before I can think of going to Cape Town, I have to think, is school fees paid? Are shoes proper? Does she need anything? If something is short, then I can't go anywhere. I can't move to any country because I have a kid to look after. You get it? So
And I think we should also talk about like career.
yeah,
I feel like people who don't have kids
they prosper.
actually prosper more than people with kids.
Yeah.
Because now imagine you find a job, say for instance me, a lot of like people I went to school with are auditors, and with that comes like very long working hours, stuff that I couldn't myself, settle for or get in that space because I'm a single mom. What am I gonna do with the baby? I can't leave the baby with a nanny
For that
the
long.
entire time. How to travel a whole week or two. Where's my baby?
Exactly.
Exactly. So life is very difficult, guys. I feel like we should consider all these things. And I was just talking to some lady the other day, just talking about, step kids. Like, and as much as I want to not, you know, incorporate that word like step parent, step kid in my family. There are circumstances that actually force me to. The other time I went to the hospital, I get there, they asked me, how many kids do you have? You know, I blankly just said 2. They're like, when did you give birth to the kids? Now I have to explain, I actually gave birth to 1 child and the other, you know, and I'm like, you know what, it's stuck with me forever.
Yeah.
No matter how hard I want to try and just say I have 2 kids and leave it at that.
You have to explain.
Sometimes I have to explain. And it's just like a reminder that, you know what, this is what happened.
Wait.
You know, if we're gonna take our kids to UK, even if they have to visit, my husband now has to explain. I have 1 biological baby that's coming, 1 stepchild that's coming.
Yeah.
You can't avoid it for the rest of your life. If I just waited until I'm married and had a baby, guess how many things I would just be avoiding? How much drama and paperwork I would be avoiding first. I'm not saying things are gonna work out if you're married, but the chances are higher that you're gonna have like just a proper family. I'm not saying mine is not proper, but I really wish I could have done things differently back then.
Yeah, I think
if you're a young girl, you're watching this, please just welcome the podcast, girl. I feel like we need to talk about it in more depth. Like right now, we're just trying to wrap everything up in you know, a few paragraphs, but
we do love it. Don't get us wrong. We love being mothers. We love our kids and all that. But it would have been better if we waited.
Yeah. 100%.
We were first year students at BAC together. You can imagine the trauma.
With a whole belly. The embarrassment.
Say no to boys. Say no to boys, guys. Wait until you're 25 to talk to boys. Because they bring babies.
At least.
They bring
at least 25, guys. Wait. 25.
Wait.
I can have a baby at 25. Wait.
So you talk
until
to boys.
You start saying hi back.
Yeah, because
till
then
you
can think proper. Like you can process things, and you can sense a lie from afar.
True.
But when you're 20, trust me, all he's saying, all the promises, they sound very real. But anyway, let's go to the mall. Let's
go to the mall. We're not here for this.
Yeah. Getting a skincare thing or something just to organize.
It's so cute.
Cappuccino.
Thank you. Riley dragged me to the Fields Mall.
Please, you wanted a slushie.
To get a slushie. Well, I did want one, but I didn't have a plan of coming here. So we're gonna get slushies. I remember there's a place in the Fields called Red Cafe. I saw the plug on TikTok. So we're here. Summer Patch. Oh, they have Biscoff. Oh.
We would all love this donut. Is this Pop Rock?
Pop what?
Pop Rock.
How much is that?
I don't know. This is how much?
25.
25, so that's 45. Rounded rate.
guys, welcome to another day in this vlog. I hope you guys can see me. Today is a Thursday. I have a little bit of a blog to know situation. I don't do well with air cons, and the past 2 days I have been going to my friend's workplace with her, like bring a friend to work type of situation, and she likes the aircon, so yeah, hence why I have a blocked nose. But I'll be fine. I'll take like allergics and stuff when I go to bed, maybe ginger tea. But I'm here to say that I'm actually going to pick up Riley. She has a cute little movie date with her friend. If you don't follow me on TikTok, in December she went on a cute little date, like nail date, with this very same friend. So this time around they're doing movies. They're gonna watch at NCC Riverwalk. I don't know what movie they're gonna watch, but it starts at 5:30. It's currently 1 minute past 5, and I'm 5 minutes away. So she is staying with her grandmother currently. I'm going to pick her up there, drop her off at the movies, and I don't know what I'm gonna do to pass time in Riverwalk, to be very honest with you. I don't feel like doing anything else. I don't feel like fast food today. I actually want rice. Because I have not been eating well the past couple of days. So yeah, let's come along. Let's go to the movies. We'll probably check a few shops. Honestly, I don't know what I'll be looking for in the shops, but just to pass time, because there's no way I don't want to watch the movie with them, though I don't know what movie they're gonna watch. So I need to do something to pass time, and I can't drop her off, leave, like go home and then go back for her. I don't have that energy in me. It's just like probably an hour 30, depending on the movie that they're gonna watch. So it's honestly not too bad. I can wait it out. Probably just talk to my husband or something. But yeah, I'm rambling. Let me go. I'll talk to you guys later. Let's go. I'll show you guys my outfit once I can stand up and do that properly. But I just wanted to give you guys the details before I forget. Oh well, today is a lucky day. Riley says they're gonna watch Mufasa. Yay! Is it Mufasa or the Lion King? Whatever. And guess who's been wanting to watch it? Me. So guess who's gonna take along? Me.
Hi guys.
Hi baby.
And
How are
me
you?
and my best friend are gonna watch it.
Mm-hmm.
That's the whole reason I'm going.
Hey, okay, I already said that part, but okay. Spice up the popcorn while you get the slushy.
Yeah.
I know.
To be lost is to learn the way. Call me Eshe. I'm tired, Eshe.
Was hunting them. What if they're okay? Live in you now. Follow me, brother.
Run, Mufasa!
Hunters! I am confirming my vision, Mufasa. Was a brother standing right here. A friend. Family. What I saw was you. The unseeable. I saw what you've done. And your brother fight with me. You stole my destiny. Now this is yours. He's one of us.
Mufasa is right. Milele is home. We must stand with
I think I know.
Hey guys, I look a bit crusty. Please forgive me for that. I'm going through it. Okay, I have the flu, the bug, the sinuses. I don't know what you want to call it, but I have that. And you know what? I'm trying to do my hair right now. And I remembered I actually haven't talked to my dolls in about 2 months now. And the last time I vlogged, I was coming here. So I figured, you know what? I actually owe you guys a life update. So let's get this done, wrap up this vlog because I actually need to start a new one. So last year, June, was it June? Yeah, I actually wanted to apply for a visa to go stay with my husband. That was not possible due to the house that he was living in at the time. I really won't get much into it, but yeah, him and I decided, you know what, long distance is a bit hectic. I was missing my husband, he was missing me, so the girl got a... Okay, we were not using visitor's visa at the time. They just had to put a stamp for you upon arrival in the UK. So we did that. I went to visit my man for some months. Came back, we were ready to now apply for... for a visa. Which I did. In December, I got it. So now I'm officially moving out. I am relocating. It sounds so exciting to say that. Finally, I'm relocating. I'm going to join my husband in the UK. So I'm actually undoing my hair. Because I don't have much time. One thing about me, I'm always rushing. I don't know why. I think I work well under pressure, to be very honest with you. Like, if I read that on my CV, I mean it. I work well under pressure. So I'm just undoing my hair now. I need to change my nails from this to... I'm thinking I should do a pink Frenchie. I'm in love with Frenchies. I don't know who's not, but it's like a very light pink with the same base color. I think it's gonna look very cute. I changed my nails to a very milky pearly pink, so they look very cute. So I am actually leaving very soon. So I'm actually, today's Wednesday, I'm actually traveling to Cape Town first. I know there's a lot going on. I'm going to Cape Town first, and then I'm gonna fly from there. Yeah, going to be with my husband. Woo. I am not with long distance marriage anymore. All right, I'm in the same household marriage, if you will. So I'm very excited for the new things that are coming. If you're wondering if the kids are coming along this time around, no. I'm just going by myself again. So yeah, I'm just excited for the new season, this new chapter that my husband and I are getting in. Honestly, I feel like we haven't had like enough time to really bond. Okay, we did. I mean, we got married, we stayed together for some months, and then, you know, he relocated. We were apart for some months, and then I went there for a couple of months. So it's finally good to say I'm going to stay with my husband forever. Like every day, I'm gonna be living with my husband. Wherever he goes, I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna waste any time. So yeah, I long did these braids in December. I think this is the longest time I've kept a hairstyle actually. I'm thinking of doing 4 locks. Hopefully those will last me like a long time. I don't like having the same hairstyle for too long, guys. I won't lie. I get bored easily by hairstyles. But I'm hoping to keep this one for at least 2 months. It's end of Jan, end of Feb, end of March. Yeah, probably like end of March, beginning of April, I can undo. Yeah, man, I think that's what I wanted to update you guys on. As per usual, the girl needs to go buy some stuff. You know, the food in the UK is not nice. I've said this many times before. If you're new, soooo, the food there Ain't nice, okay? So I need to buy some spices like aromatiana, mother-in-law, 7 colors. I need to buy some snacks like Lays, some cute biscuits that we don't have there, like tennis biscuits, Murray biscuits, a couple more stuff, man. I can't remember. I have a list though. I need to get hair food because the girl struggled. Hair food, hairspray, mostly like hair products. Yeah, man, I think I should also get like a relaxer and a braid, like packet there. 1 million. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna buy, like the value pack. 1 or 2. To be very honest, I'm sick and tired of going to the airport and my bags are overweight. And one thing I wanted to do this time around, I don't want to fly Ethiopian. Not that there's anything wrong with the Ethiopian Airways, but I feel like I want to experience a different airline. I'm yet to book my flight. I haven't booked it. So I don't know if I should take like a direct flight or book one that passes through or Doha. It'll be nice to see Doha Airport. In the future, I'm gonna book like for Emirates, all these other airlines, just to experience something different, the different food, different whatever, however they do things. It'd be nice to see all that. So I actually don't want to limit myself. I had wanted to book a flight that passes through, is it Switzerland? I think I saw a flight, actually, yeah, I think Switzerland has a direct flight from there to Wales, which was going to be way easier for my husband to pick me up because he was just going to drive. But apparently I need a transit visa for that. And you know what? I am sick and tired of that, man. Like during my visa process thing, it drained me, child. It drained me. I'm yet to do my e-visa, which I'm supposed to do online. My husband keeps reminding me. He's like, girl, do you want to stand at the airport and really do that because they need it and you haven't done it? I'm like, actually, time's not on my side. I need to get it done. I will. So I think I should do that today before I regret. All right. So yeah, I think I will pack with you guys. I'll pack with you guys. I'll do other stuff. Honestly, I would have loved to vlog a lot in Botswana, but I had so much anxiety, guys. Applying for a visa is not an easy thing to do, and let alone waiting for the decision. It's not an easy thing to do. It's not a nice process, if I'm being honest. But getting the decision, getting the email, I cried. I was so happy. So yeah, I think that's why I didn't vlog for YouTube. YouTube needs like a lot of vulnerability. I don't know if I said that already, but it needs me to be vulnerable in parts that sometimes I don't want to show. So sometimes I don't mind being on camera when I'm going through it, but in that particular moment, like this December, girl, it was not gonna work. So I'm so sorry I went AWOL on you guys. I'm back now for real. I will be vlogging. I think we'll start by adjusting maybe 2 vlogs a month. Yeah, and then once we catch on, we'll go back to the weekly vlogs. But for now, I'm also trying to grow my TikTok. I'm trying to post there at least 2 to 3 times a week. TikTok is a lot easier. It doesn't require much time to edit, much time to shoot. I don't have to say anything if I don't want to say anything. The vlog will just be self-explanatory, or sometimes I'll just post no context vlogs, like just random things that I've done in the day or week. So it's much easier for me when I have a lot going on in my life. But yeah, I just thought, let me sit here, let me talk to my girlies and guys, update you guys on my little life, and then just so you guys are caught up, you know. Imagine me posting a vlog tomorrow saying, travel with me, hi Bogel, where are we going, to do what, you know, what's happening with you. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Also, it's good to have seen, you know, my kids, family, friends, in the time that I've been here. So I think now I'm ready to go. I initially planned to go like next week, but my husband misses me. I miss my husband, so it is what it is. Actually, it was supposed to be the week after next. Yeah, like 2nd week of Feb or something. But no, the girl has taken a decision to go, so she's going. Anyways, bye guys. I've been talking for a very long time. I don't know how I'm gonna wrap this up because I've been vlogging. Like, I went out with Pakang, I did a little bit of vlogging. I went out with Melinda, I did a little bit of vlogging. I went out with my kids. Did I vlog? I'll check if I vlogged. I'll insert like a few little clips here for you guys. And then the next time you see me, I need to wash my hair and then go do a little bit of shopping. Later on, we're going home sale and then I'm gonna pack. I don't know how I'm gonna navigate the packing. Like, stuff I'm gonna need in Cape Town, do I pack them in a separate bag? What if I do a little bit of shopping there? Because you know Cape Town usually has like winter stuff, and to be very honest with you, I need winter stuff. I don't have a scarf, I don't have a beanie, I don't have gloves, I don't have nothing. So I need to get a couple of those things, and I'm hoping to find them maybe in Access Park in Cape Town, the clearance theme, shops theme. Excuse me. So I think we'll do that and then we'll take it from there. I don't really plan on like being in the water like that, like swimming. I'm still a bit insecure with my body. I gained a bit of weight, my clothes came back, it's a hot mess. So I don't know how I feel about being in like swimwear, especially in public areas, but a cover up, I'll be confident in that. So let's do that. I'm planning on very cute things for this year. I want to vlog more. I want to be a bit more open or vulnerable on my channel. So I hope you guys will appreciate that and won't be like, ooh, what's going on with this girl? I'm just getting to learn and appreciate more of myself. I don't know if it's aging or what. I'm hitting the big 3-0 this year and it literally feels like I am starting my life over. I don't know if it's moving or me turning 30. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, bye guys. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Good morning guys, let's go get my hair done. I'm going to do, I don't know if they're called goddess locks, but yeah, some forelocks with some curls. I don't know if the curls are a good idea because I intend on keeping the hairstyle for a little bit longer, but we'll see. I'll get a bottle of mousse. I have one back home, so we'll do that. This is me. I need to pass by my friend's house to get my AirPods so that I edit this vlog while I get my hair done. How exciting. We're intentional girls this year. Anyways, let's go. I have a 8 o'clock appointment. It's currently 7:43, so let's go. I'm just from Botswana offices, guys. The price. I was just telling them that a one-way ticket from Gaborone to Cape Town costs I think about 40% more than my one-way ticket from Cape Town to London. Make it make sense. And I'm talking big airlines like Qatar Airways, Emirates. I don't know if it's because hakuna competition because I'm trying to prioritize the direct flight from Gibbs to Cape Town. But honestly, I feel like we should have just booked a connecting flight like Airlink or something. And the fact that we paid this much amount of money and there's just so much uncertainty with Air Botswana is just crazy. Anyway, I just wanted to rant. I'm actually do my hair. The lady was so quick, by the way. But I think we started at like 8:15. By around 10 o'clock I was done. Like, bro, I was done. Nice. Anyways, let's go. We're going to Sky Plaza and then we're gonna pass by 4. So I'm actually with Sadi. You guys will see her later.